How to use Target gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use or redeem your Target gift card online. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser on your device. Now if you're on phone, you can do it on your application as well, but I'll be showing you here on the browser. On your browser, you can head into target.com, the official Target website. Once there, you want to make sure you're logged into your account. As you can see here on the screen, I'm already logged in or signed in. Once you're signed in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find there on the screen. You can see your profile icon, you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see there below circle there the fourth option, the gift cards. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on gift cards, you can see here in my case it says you have no gift cards. Now how do you add a gift card? You want to tap on plus icon there at the right hand side of the screen, and it'll ask you to enter in your card details. Simply enter in your card details and tap on add. Once you do so, next time you make a purchase on Target, you can use the gift card as your payment method. So this way you can use Target gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.